In this video, we show you how to use tags to organize and filter your browser profiles in Incogniton. Tags are custom labels you can give your profiles so you can group and find them however you like. You can add tags while creating a profile. In the Create Profile panel, open the Tags field and either pick an existing tag or create a new one by giving it a name and a color. Then click Create. You can also tag a profile that already exists. Open Edit Profile, go to the Tag section and add the tags you want. Your profiles now show their tags right in the overview. Once your profiles are tagged, you can filter by them. Click Filter, open the Tag section, and select a tag. The list instantly narrows down to only the profiles with that tag. Clear the filter to see everything again. That's how tags help you keep even a large number of profiles organized and easy to manage. Want to learn more? Check out the other videos on our channel or try the free starter package.